Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel Crypto Halloween. Today we have a new video about a new event in MEXC. But before we dive into this video, I would like to ask you to like our video, follow to our channel, and let's discover our event of today. So let's go now to the second part of our video and let's go to the page of our event. So this is not just a simple giveaway. This is a fully loaded trading and staking event that's perfect for beginners looking to start and for advanced traders ready to scale their gain and break everything down, from rewards and rules to tips and how you can get it right now. So as you see, this is the page of our event, and as you see, MNT Extravaganza $1 million prize pool. So this is in the official page of MEXC, and as you see, zero fees and up to 500% APR and more. You can register from here, but let's check first of all the details about our event. So as you see here, spot and features, zero fees trading. You lock zero trading fees with MNT on spot and features for 30 days. You can trade now by clicking here in the spot trading or in the features trading. The deposit to share 56,670 MNT. So deposit at least 100 MNT or 100 USDT or 100 USDC during this event and receive 10 MNT. Rewards are limited in first come first service basis. So deposit now from here. Let's check the spot one. As you see here, also trade MNT on spot and you can share the same amount. It's 56,670 MNT. And you can achieve at least 100 USDT in MNT USDT spot trading volume and maintain total spot holding of at least 100 USDT in any token by the end of the event to receive 10 MNTs. And also the rewards are limited and it's first come first save basis, so you can trade also from here. So this makes a great opportunity for new traders. You can start without worrying about extra costs. For experienced traders, this is a chance to execute more trades and maximize fees with zero fee frictions. Let's check also the launch pool. As you see here, you can join the MNT and share the MNTs up to 250,000 MNT. And as you see here, stake USDT, MX and MNT on MEXC launch pool during the event to earn MNT tokens. Stacking, so stake MNT to unlock up to 500 APR as we said here already, and stake MNT during this event period to unlock up to 500 APR, and the rewards are limited by first come first service basis. And finally, the features competition. So trade features to share 300,000 USDT in features bonuses. So during this event, users who have traded MNT on features are eligible to task grab and share 300,000 USDT in features bonuses, and you can trade from here. But you must check all the details about the deadline. So for example, the spot one from 31 March to 30 April, the deposit is the same deadline. For the spot one, the same deadline. For the launch pool from 31 to 4 April. For the second from the 4 April to 30 April. And the final one is from the 31 March to the 30 April. And you can refer to earn, so you can invite to join MEXC and earn up to 300 USDT. So you can invite your friends from here, and new users welcome gifts, so you can get an unlock up to $8,000 in rewards in the quick start trading journey, so you can join from here. So let's have a quick recap. So you will get a 0% fees or MNT USDT trade. You can deposit and trade MNT on spot to share more than 100,000 MNT. New users can join the USDT staking the pool with the 48 MNT rewards, and also you can trade MNT features and complete for the 300,000 USDT in bonuses. And remember, these campaigns run for 1 full month, and the earlier you get it, you have more chance because there is like the first come the first served basis. And for people don't know MEXC, their slogan is your easiest way to crypto. They really mean it. MEXC mission is to simplify crypto for everyone, whether you are brand new or an experienced investor. MEXC provides an easy to use and secure platform loaded with the most trading tokens daily airdrop and with ultra low fees and deep liquidity. I've personally traded on MEXC for a month. It's one of the few platforms where I've been able to catch new token early, trade with speed and minimize fees compared to other major exchanges. And that's not just marketing talk. MEXC consists to offer lowest fees compared to other platforms while still maintain strong security and high token availability. So I will give you all the links in the bio as always. So don't forget to put like to our video, follow to our channel, and especially a comment to this video to see your vision about this new project and the new token. So see you in the next video.